If you work within customer service and client care, then this is an area in which you can formulate many different types of assessments, and we are just going to have a look at a few examples that you can use for your CAVA course. For Workplace 1 and Workplace 2, you could have an observation. So you are going to be observing two of your colleagues in their natural working role. So this could be simply greeting a customer and also observing the customer paying for a product. So you are going to observe your colleague, perhaps have a look at the communication skills with the customer, the transaction, cash handling, and also issuing the customer with a receipt as well. So you're going to look at their customer service skills. Okay, you would write up an observation report and document their good qualities and any areas for development as well. So you're seeing them in their live natural working role here. In terms of Workplace 3 and Workplace 4, once again, this could be an observation that you choose, and this could be observing your colleague demonstrating how to use normal operating procedures, or it could be demonstrating how to use perhaps a computer. It could be ordering in new stock from a warehouse, by example, or it could be performing a stock take as well. So just looking at current stocks, perhaps writing up a report on what stock needs to be replenished there. So these are natural workplace assessments, seeing your colleagues in their natural working role there. In terms of vocational or training assessments now, you could have perhaps a role play scenario on how to deal with a customer complaint or a difficult customer. So seeing how your colleagues respond to any complaints, how do they deal and how do they resolve any conflict situations there. So for Workplace for Vocational 1 and Vocational 2, you could perhaps set up a training scenario where it could be another colleague plays a role of an angry customer, for example, and you're seeing how you're assessing candidate, how do they respond to any difficult customer complaints there. So that could take place perhaps within the training room or an office as well. Okay. Furthermore, for Vocational 3 and Vocational 4, this could be a knowledge test or multiple choice test on current systems. It could be on normal operating procedures, any store procedures. Okay, it could be on health and safety within your store as well. So this is going to assess the knowledge of the candidate as well. So once again, you could create perhaps a 10 question multiple choice test following your standards, okay, or your course textbook, by example. So you could create a multiple choice test and issue that to your two colleagues to do in their own time, okay, and you could observe them and provide them with constructive feedback as well following their multiple choice test. So we would encourage that you follow an observation for your workplace assessments, and also perhaps a role play or simulation, and also a multiple choice test when it comes to your 4 vocational assessments.